Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, for this scarf I'm using an acrylic yarn and it says medium thickness, whatever that means, and I'm using 8/0 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Well, this stitch, it's a beginner stitch, so it's easy for many of us. This stitch works with multiples of 3 plus 2 more. So I chain 12 and I'm gonna chain the last 2 more. Okay, and now what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first chain, and in the second chain we're gonna do a single crochet, and we're gonna do single crochet all the way until the end of the row. So we're gonna do single crochet in all chains. Well, it's a very easy stitch for beginners. All you have to know is how to do a single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. It's very easy. And it looks a little bit like a rosebud, kind of tilted, or maybe looks like something else. Okay, so we did in all chains we did a single crochet, and now we're gonna chain 2. We always gonna chain 2 at the end. Gonna turn our work, and this is the chain 2 and this is the first stitch. So in the first stitch we're gonna do a single crochet, and in the same stitch we're gonna do a half double crochet, and in the same stitch we're gonna do a double crochet. Okay, and now we're gonna skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third stitch we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do a single crochet, and then in the same stitch half double crochet, and in the same stitch we're gonna do double crochet. Okay, again we're gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third stitch we're gonna do a single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and in the same stitch we're gonna do a double crochet, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do a single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and in the same stitch we're gonna do a double crochet, and you have left 3 at the end, so you skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do, in the last one we're gonna do only 1 single crochet. Chain 2, turn your work, and it's gonna look like this. You turn your work, and again we have the chain 2 and the first stitch, it's right here. So we're gonna do the same, single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do a single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and then double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third stitch we're gonna do the same, single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet in the same stitch. We're gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the last we're gonna do only 1 single crochet, chain 2. I'm gonna do one more row with you and then I will stop. Again we have the chain 2, and this is the first stitch here, so we're gonna do a single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do the same, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the same stitch. Again we skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do the same, single crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet in the same stitch. We skip 2, 1, 2, and in the last stitch we're gonna do only one single crochet, and you're gonna chain 2, and you're gonna go again. First stitch you're gonna do single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet in the same stitch. You skip 2, and so on. In the third you're gonna do like that, and it looks like this. So, you know, for my scarf I chained 21 plus 2 more, so it's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna finish, because I didn't finish my my scarf, so I think that it's long enough. Mine, I don't like that long, the scarves. So I'm gonna skip 2, 1, 2, and in the last I'm gonna do a single crochet. Okay. And now, because I consider that that's it, this is long enough, I'm gonna chain 1. I will turn my my work, and I'm gonna, let me put this down here, it's too much. Okay, so we started with a single crochet. Yeah, when we started the first one end, we did single crochet the first row, and then the second we started with the stitch. Yeah, so in this we're gonna finish with a single crochet. So in each stitch, this one here, we're gonna do single crochet. Next stitch we're gonna do single crochet. We're gonna do single crochet in each stitch until we finish the row. Yeah, I'm gonna do this with you, and I'm gonna stop. Well, that is the stop, the end. Okay, so you're gonna do single crochet in all stitches, because that is the way we started. Yeah, when the way you start, it's you know, required that you finish the same way, because it's easy, you know, if you want to add tassels or fringes, you know, it's easy to attach the tassels or fringes, whatever it's called. So I'm almost at the end. Okay, last one, and now you finished. So you're gonna chain 1, you're gonna pull a loop like this a little bit, and then you're gonna take the scissors, this is gonna fall, and you're gonna cut the yarn. Yeah, you cut the yarn, and then you have this loop, so you're gonna pull this, and it's gonna make a knot. Yeah, and then you're gonna take this and you're gonna hide, you know, inside the, you know, the edge of the material, like this. I like to turn like this, because if I don't turn, you're gonna see this end, you're gonna see here. Yeah, so I keep turning like this. Oops. That way you're not gonna see the end. Yeah, you just don't see it, it's right here. So I'm gonna turn this way now, and you're gonna do like this on and on and on until you, what am I doing here, until you're done. Yeah, well, if you like the scarf to have tassels, you can, well, put tassels. I put on, well, I'm gonna have to put it to the other end, but I just wanted to show you how it looks with tassels like this. Or you can leave it, you know, you can leave it like this, you know, no tassels. But you know, with no tassels, it's gonna go like this. You know, it's gonna kind of curl up or whatever. So yeah, this is the scarf. if you like, you can make it. It's very easy. It's a beginner stitch. Well, for us in Northern Hemisphere at this point, the spring it's, well, coming close, but for you guys in Australia, New Zealand, you start the autumn and the winter is coming for you. Yeah, so get you know, crocheting the scarves for winter. So, well, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Have a pleasant day. Bye.